Gary, may emotional na mensahe sa asawang si Angeli sa kanilang 40th anniversary. Emotional ang pure energy OPM icon na si Gary Valenciano sa kanyang mensahe sa asawang si Angeli Pangilinan Valenciano para sa kanilang 40th anniversary. Sa kanyang social media account, marami ang na-inspire at kinilig sa mensahe ni Gary kay Angeli. Ayon kay Gary, naniniwala siyang dahil sa lubos na pananampalataya sa Diyos, kaya tumagal ang kanilang pagsasama ni Angeli. Dagdag pa ni Gary na wala silang masyadong hinanda ngayong taon para sa isa't isa, subalit ang magkasama lamang sila lagi ay sapat na at yun ang mahalaga. Ayon pa kay Gary, mahal na mahal niya ang asawa at ang tanging makapaghihiwalay lamang sa kanila ay ang kamatayan.
Angeli kasi, very caring, very selfless. And at that time of my life, I needed someone not just as somebody na tipong girlfriend type. No, I needed someone who went beyond that. Yung tunay na kaibigan ba?
Pogi points.
2,000 steps already. Or more.
2,000 steps. We're trying to hit 10,000. We may not get there, but point is we're together. Together kasi kami.
Yeah!
Kailangan give credit where credit is due kasi grabe ang ginawa ni Angeli habang pinagdaanan namin, bilang pamilya, habang pinagdaanan namin to. Alam na ng tao kung anong pinagdaanan ko. Pero bilang asawa, hindi nila alam kung ano yung pinagdaanan niya.
Alam ko na may, kung ang doktor ang nagsabi, grace of God, ibig sabihin God will take care of him. This is my living miracle. I love you, Gary.
Han, it's been quite a trip, quite a journey, quite a ride, quite a union, quite a partnership, quite a relationship, quite a marriage. We're now 40 years, Han. Only by God's grace have we lasted this long, and only by His grace will we have many more years together. Till death do us part. I know we didn't prepare much for each other for this year, but just being together, being with you, like being by the ocean this way, is what really, really matters. I love you, Han. Happy 40th anniversary to us. At Angeli Valenciano. Noong 1984, ikinasal sina Gary at Angeli at sila ay nagkaroon ng 3 anak. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.